Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be completing August by going ahead and finishing out my side hustle cash stuffing for the month. I went ahead and used a paper budget today because I've been receiving so many emails about people who prefer paper versions. So I just want y'all to know that I do sell like a notepad of just the budget sheets, and you can just write on them and peel them off. So that's what we'll be using today. I'm gonna sit this over here to the side and we can get into it. Probably notice it's a new setup, whole new shebang, but it's all good. I'm trying something new in a different space just so I have a little bit more room. So we'll see how I like it in editing. All right, so first up, let's talk through the incomes. So very first here, we have my YouTube income, my income from creator funds, and from reselling. All that total out to about $7,500. $770 of that is going towards YouTube taxes. A little over $3,000 is going towards me moving, and the rest is going to be split between sinking funds. I paid $1,200 towards my 401k and $250 towards my student loan, and then we're gonna put some in some savings challenges. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So up here in our high priority funds, the only ones we're touching are vacation, and I think doctor visits. So in vacation, we are going to be adding $500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, this is my like hard work money, so I do try to reward fun things with this check. So in here we have $1,000 in the bank, $1,100, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16, $1,700. $1,800, $1,820, $1,840, $1,850. Make sure that you are including yourself in your budget. I know we get so hyper focused on paying off debt, saving, investing, and all that good stuff, but be sure to include yourself. Up next is doctor visits, and we're going to be adding $100 to this one. So our new total in here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $600, $650, $660. Vehicle maintenance is the next fund, and I do need to update these trackers, y'all. Please ignore them. Vehicle maintenance is going to receive $100. I recommend always trying to add something to this one, especially if you have an older vehicle. So we have $1,000 in the bank, $1,100, $1,120. And vehicle maintenance, I think everything is pretty much getting somewhere between $50 and $100 today. Car insurance is actually getting $100 today, and you'll notice this one is smaller. I did actually make the payment towards car insurance here recently. So 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $1,050 in the car insurance fund. Okay, and so that is it for our high priority binder. Our low priority binder is next, and we're gonna hit several funds in here this go round, again, because this is what I try to do with excess money. So for my nieces, I'm going to add $100. I haven't seen them in a while, but when they show up, they're expensive. So 100, 120, 130, 135, 136. Up next, let's see, Rico. We haven't put anything in here for him in a while. He's gonna get $20. I'm thinking about buying him a new perching rock. So 50, 70, 80, 85. He hasn't been moving around in there much lately. I think he might be bored, or maybe it's just that time of year. I don't know. So I'm gonna switch it up for him inside of his little tank. Amazon funds is getting $100. I'm really trying to stock this up. So when it's time to move, you know, furniture and plates and stuff is expensive. Amazon is getting 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 430. Speaking of, shout out to my channel members. I'm going to put them across the screen here. Shout out to you guys. I appreciate y'all for being members of the channel. They're currently fixing our Wi-Fi around here right now, so I haven't been able to do any lives, but we'll be doing a members only live here pretty soon. Target is getting $100. 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 380, $385. Okay. And y'all will actually probably get a sneak peek at my new collection members. So it's pretty dope. There's just a few of y'all, so I don't mind sharing. Let's see. The very next thing we are doing, did we do nails? I don't even use that fund for me anymore. It's for when my niece comes. Okay. Nails gets $50. So it has 100, 150, 160, 165. Okay. Hair products is receiving $100, and I think that will finally put us at the mark to pay my credit card back. So 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 410. Yep, it does. So this money will be coming out in the unstuffing video. Up next, let's see, what do we have after hair products? Skincare is going to receive $100, and that should give me enough to buy some of the things I need. 100, 200, 250, 270. I've been trying to wait and see if they're going to have a sale. You know, it's that time of the year when they start having sales all the time, because Paula's Choice is expensive. Luxury perfumes are going to get $100, and hopefully this will be enough to also pay back that last perfume I got. So in here we now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 600, 610, 611, 612. Oh yeah, that's way more than what I need. So this money will come out during the stuffing as well. And that's it. The very last thing we are going to do is work on our savings challenges. So for our month ahead envelope, not month ahead, our monthly savings challenge for August is already complete, but I do like to add some extra from my side hustle funds. So I am just going to add an extra $50 in here. So our new total in here is 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 251, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 257 in here for the month of August. So it'll be time to switch this out for our September challenge, because today is actually September. I'm running a little behind getting these recorded. All right, and the very last thing we are going to do is our 100 envelope challenge stuffing, and I have that right here next to me. I'm just gonna sit it up here. I have my little tracker here, and so for this week, since it was a high income week, I went ahead and picked a lot. Let me move this. I went ahead and picked a lot of the larger numbers, so we're actually doing number 93 through 99 today. So I'm gonna go ahead and just color those in. You have to hit those big numbers when you have the extra. Here are my envelopes for those, and I just went ahead and put a 100 for each one instead of getting all that change. So for 99, we're going to add $100. And I know last time I did this cash stuff, and several of you guys said you were also participating in this. So hopefully we'll all finish up around the same time. And again, y'all, I'm just doing 99 through 93. So this one's 98. I know I finished around the end of the year last year, and it was really nice to be able to apply all of that towards student loans. I'm hoping to pay my student loan balance off this year. I may leave one student loan, like the the oldest one that I still have, because I am trying to, I'm either going to build a house or just rent. And I don't have like a bunch of old credit lines. My student loans are my oldest credit line. So if I pay them, my credit age is going to severely diminish. So I'm gonna have to leave at least one, whichever one is the oldest, so I don't lose my credit age, so it doesn't get any shorter. We'll have to see. I'm talking to some people next month to hopefully help me out with that decision. So we'll see. But ultimately, I at least want to have the money put away so that once I do decide whatever, it'll be there to pay it. So yeah. I try to like set all my challenges to end at the end of the year. So, you know, I haven't been on this journey forever, but as long as I've been on it, I've been trying to be like completely consumer debt free, student loan debt free. I don't like have a car loan or any like huge credit card debt. I pay my balances in full every month. I have one hospital debt I'm just about to pay off. I'm tired of bickering with this creditor about it. So come 2023, I'm trying to start on a fresh slate and figure out the next steps for my life. So this challenge will enable me to make a pretty hefty student loan payment. If you're doing it, what are you going to use the money for? Let me know down below. Okay, so that is all of those numbers stuffed. And as you can see, we are making some pretty good progress on this 100 envelope challenge. I'm hoping to finish it in 100 days. So I do 7 numbers per week because I am paid weekly. So that's it for today. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem.